Welcome back to the channel. Today we've been sent a new subwoofer from our sponsor Dragon Car Audio and Security because very similarly I managed to blow the one up in my car. So the sub they've sent us is a Ground Zero Aerodium Series 12-inch subwoofer. It's the GZ1W 12SPL D2. Now this is rated at 1000 watts RMS, which is going to suit really well with that V12 amp that we got off of Ross. Cheers, Ross. Right, well let's get this unboxed.
Dun dun dun.
Okay, let's have a look. So we've obviously got the instruction manual we'll have a look at. Multiple levels of cardboard. So let's actually have a look at the subwoofer itself. Let's get it out of this bag. I said get it out of the bag, I almost dropped it. It's definitely not a lightweight sub. So it does look very, very well made. I mean, it looks amazing actually. So this is, as you can see from here, it's 1000 watt at 2 ohms. So we're going to try this out in the MAD 350. Well, that's the unboxing, so let's get to fitting. Okay, so I made a big mistake here. I ordered a 12-inch sub and actually I had a 10 in the back. Now I'm going to make this box work with the 12 because I have no more space for it. But it's not the technical way of doing it. If you want your audio fitted properly, get down to Dragon Car Audio and they can make you a proper bespoke system for your car. Not like I'm about to do here and push a 12-inch sub into a 10-inch box. Well, we'll see how it sounds. So I thought I would just show you the difference between what just came out of the car and what's going in the car. I mean, the difference of it is just, I mean, that's just a baby, isn't it? It's tiny. Okay, so we're going to come and test the car now. We have fitted the 12-inch sub and you can see how much space it takes up in the back of the car, which is why I couldn't get a bigger box in there. So, I mean, let's see how it sounds. We are going to use a song that I can actually play the music. Just a quick interruption to our video today to thank our sponsors, Dragon Car Audio and Security. They're based in Fareham and they can deal with all of your audio and security needs. I've put their telephone number down here so you can give them a call, but you will find all of their links in our description. Well, do hit them up if you need any audio or security, and well, let's get back to our video. We are going to use a song that I can actually play the music by Nefx, which I use a lot on my videos. This one's called Rumours. So let's have a listen and see what it sounds like. You'll be able to hear me. That sounded really good. Whole car's vibrating. Let's try a different tune. Okay, this is called Cold by Nefx.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking that. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever want to be alone. I don't really ever
feel that vibrating all the way around the car. It's hot, it's not even started properly yet.
I will never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll never let you.
Sounds absolutely banging.
I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand. Need help. I don't want to be left on the shelf.
Really impressive.
It's so good.
Really impressive thing about the 350 is, I mean, you just heard what that sounded like inside, and yeah, you can hardly hear it from the outside. So you can see, we have got the V12 amp now sitting in there, and this sub just right inside. It's kicking the shit out of everything.
Now that's to me.